Understanding safety at all times. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that we often hear in various contexts: safety at all times. This expression is crucial, especially in environments where the risk is present. Our goal is to unpack its meaning and significance, making it easier for English language learners to grasp and use it confidently. Let's get started. Safety at all times is composed of two key components: safety and at all times. Safety refers to the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. When we say at all times, we're talking about a constant state. It means during every moment, continuously, without interruption. So, when combined, safety at all times emphasizes the importance of maintaining a safe environment or condition constantly, not just occasionally when it seems necessary. This phrase underscores the importance of continuous vigilance and precautionary measures to prevent accidents or harm. It's particularly relevant in workplaces, schools, public spaces, and even at home. By adhering to the principle of safety at all times, individuals and organizations can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents, ensuring that everyone involved remains unharmed and secure. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase applies in real life. In the workplace, construction sites might display signs that read, "Safety at all times," to remind workers to wear helmets and follow safety protocols every moment they are on site. At school, teachers may emphasize safety at all times during laboratory experiments, ensuring that students wear protective gear and follow guidelines to avoid accidents. In public spaces, parks or recreational areas might have rules posted to ensure safety at all times, like keeping pets on leashes or children within sight to prevent them from getting lost or injured. Implementing this principle involves several steps. 1. Awareness. Be conscious of the potential risks in your environment. 2. Education. Learn and understand the safety protocols relevant to your activities. 3. Preparation. Have the necessary safety equipment and measures in place. 4. Practice. Consistently apply safety measures and encourage others to do the same. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of safety at all times. It's a principle that not only protects us but also the people around us. By understanding and applying this phrase in our daily lives, we can create safer environments for everyone. Thank you for watching, and remember, safety doesn't happen by accident. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.